Hey there, education enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in today. We've got a really important topic to discuss that's shaking up the EdTech world. Chegg's recent announcement to lay off 22% of its workforce, which means about 248 employees will be affected. That's quite significant, isn't it? Now, we know that Chegg has been a major player in online education, providing services like textbook rentals, homework help, and tutoring. But times are changing, and it seems that many students are increasingly gravitating toward AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, rather than sticking to the traditional methods that Chegg has been known for. It's interesting to see how technology is influencing education. Just think about it. How many of you have turned to online platforms or AI for your learning needs in the last year? Go ahead, share your experiences in the comments. Now, let's break it down a bit. Chegg's layoffs are part of a larger strategy to streamline operations and cut costs. In a world where technology is evolving rapidly, businesses must adapt or risk becoming obsolete. This is a stark reminder that even well-established companies need to stay on their toes to keep up with changing consumer preferences. With students increasingly opting for AI tools, it's clear that there's a shift happening in how education is delivered. These tools are often more accessible and can provide immediate assistance to learners. Have you tried using something like ChatGPT for help with your studies? How did that experience compare to traditional tutoring? But let's not forget the impacts of these layoffs. For those 248 employees, it's a significant life change. Their skills and experiences, which have contributed to Chegg's growth, now need to be channeled into new opportunities. It's a tough situation, and we definitely feel for them. So, if you're in the job market, what strategies have you found useful in navigating these transitions? We'd love to hear your tips. And speaking of navigating change, Chegg has noted that it's been struggling with a decline in web traffic. This decline isn't just a bump in the road for a company reliant on its digital presence, it's a serious concern. But what do you think is causing this drop? Are traditional services just falling out of favor as students look for quicker, more efficient solutions? As we dive deeper into this topic, it's worth pondering what the future holds for online education platforms. With AI making its mark, how will companies like Chegg evolve? Will they embrace the technology or try to compete against it with traditional models? It's a fascinating question, and we're all part of this discussion. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any insights on the future of education and technology. To sum it all up, while Chegg is facing a significant shift, it's also an opportunity for growth and adaptation. The EdTech landscape is changing, and we are witnessing the rise of AI in education firsthand. How are you adapting to these changes? Let's keep this conversation going. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more engaging content on the evolving world of education and tech.